Today in this lecture we are going to use another method for integration, that is by using trigonometric identities. So we have to apply now all trigonometric formulas for integrating the given function. That is, you have to use sin square theta, cos square theta formula, sin square theta formula, sin 2 theta formula, sin 3 theta formula, cos 3 theta formula. All formulas of trigonometries, that is identities, are now we have to apply for integrating the given function, right? So first one is given cos square x, right? So first one is I is equal to integration cos square x dx. Now you have one formula, cos square theta. So cos square theta is formula, cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2, because we are not able to integrate this function cos square x. There is no formula for cos square x, only we have formula for cos x or cos 2 theta cos 3 theta. That means remember one thing, आपको एक बात याद रखनी है, वो बात ये है कि हम जो इसकी चोटी है ना, चोटी पावर का इंटीग्रेशन नहीं कर सकते, हम उसकी जो डेप्थ है इसका इंटीग्रेशन कर सकते हैं। दैट इज ये जो चोटी है, चोटी का नहीं करेंगे, आप कितने भी आपका थिकनेस ज्यादा होगा, वो थीटा कोई भी होगा, कितना भी थीटा बड़ा हो, हम इंटीग्रेशन कर सकते हैं। बट इफ देयर इज अ पावर वी आर नॉट एबल टू इंटीग्रेट दैट फंक्शन, राइट? सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर, जो पावर में है कुछ भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन में, तो इसका डिफरेंस इंटीग्रेशन नहीं होगा। थीटा कोई भी होगा, थीटा कुछ भी हो, सो इसकी चौड़ाई कितनी भी होगी वो हम इंटीग्रेशन कर सकते हैं। सो वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस टाइप ऑफ फंक्शन यूजिंग एप्रोप्रिएट formula into a larger number. That means double, or that means you have to apply multiple submultiple angle formula for converting this type of function into this, right? So this is your formula. पता चला ना आपको क्या करना है कि हम इसका इंटीग्रेशन नहीं कर सकते, इसलिए पावर को रिड्यूस करके हमें इसको जरा छड़ा मोटा बनाना पड़ेगा एंगल। तो ये एंगल बड़ा हो गया, थीटा था तो उसका डबल हो गया, राइट? नाउ वी कैन इंटीग्रेट दिस फंक्शन इजीली, बट वी आर नॉट एबल टू इंटीग्रेट द फंक्शन विथ पावर, राइट? सिंगल फंक्शन sometimes it may be integrating. So for applying this formula, your I will be integration 1 plus cos twice x by 2 dx. This is your answer. Now integrating using working rule. So 1 upon 2 bifurcating also. So 1 upon 2 is constant, integration dx plus 1 upon 2 is constant, integration, you have to integrate cos twice x dx. Got it? Now 1 integration of 1 is x, that you know now. So this is 1 upon 2 into x plus 1 upon 2 as it is, and integration of cos twice x. You have formula integration of cos x, that is sin x, but there is something new, that is twice x. So now instead of assuming, we can integrate directly as I told you, right? So what to do? Divide by coefficient of x. In differentiation we are multiplying by coefficient of x, means derivative of x. Here you have to divide by coefficient of x if function is a linear, right? And if function is a linear, then we can apply this formula, otherwise not. So the integration of this is directly sin twice x, and have to multiply by 2, divide by 2. So this is 1 upon 2 plus c. So this is 2, this is 2, that is 1 upon 4. So answer will be x by 2 plus 1 upon 4 sin twice x plus c. So this is your answer. And if you want to take half common, then you can take and write same answer. If you take 1 upon 4 common, then you write here twice x plus and then write. Okay, so this is the way to integrating using trigonometric identity. So we use this identity here. Now again I is given, second one, I is given integration sin twice x into cos 3x dx. एज यू नो, आपको पता है कि मल्टीप्लिकेशन का प्रोडक्ट का हम इंटीग्रेशन नहीं कर सकते हैं अभी, बाद में देखेंगे, अभी हम नहीं कर सकते। सो देयर इज नो फॉर्मूला फॉर इंटीग्रेटिंग प्रोडक्ट, दिस इज गिवन प्रोडक्ट हियर। सो व्हाट टू डू, यू हैव टू अप्लाई trigonometric identity to change this product into addition and subtraction form, right? So apply addition subtraction formula. So what you require, cos sine is given, sine cos is given, then you have to formula, and also you know that for applying any trigonometric formula, bigger angle, largest angle फर्स्ट रखना है आपको, वो भी पता है, राइट? तो इसको फर्स्ट लेना है। और क्या चाहिए, मल्टीप्लिकेशन है, उसको 2 चाहिए, 2 इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर दिस। तो क्या करेंगे, डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2। सो दिस इज डिवाइड बाय 2 एंड मल्टीप्लाइंग बाय 2 एंड कीपिंग लार्जेस्ट एंगल फर्स्ट, दैट इज cos 3x into sin twice x dx. So now which formula is applicable? 2 cos A sin B. So formula 2 cos A sin B is applicable, and answer of this is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. This is the answer of this formula. 2 cos A sin B is sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. This is the formula. So applying this formula here for simplification, so this is 1 upon 2 integration. Now applying this formula, sin A plus B, that is 3x plus 2x, that is 5x. So this will be sin 5x minus sin A minus B, 3 minus 2 is x, so minus sin x dx. Now integrating this, I am not going to write separately, I'm going to write directly integration. So this is, right, directly लिख लेते हैं ना, हम सीधा लिखते हैं। Now integration of sin 5x, x है नहीं है, तो this is something new. So integration of sin is minus cos 5x and divide by coefficient of x, that is 5. In differentiation we are multiplying, here we have to divide. Minus again sin x, integration is minus, so minus minus plus cos x and plus c. So taking 5 LCM, what we get, 1 upon 10, and I'm writing this plus sign first, so 5 cos x minus cos 5x, right, and plus c. So using trigonometric identity, these are very easy question, but only condition is that you must know all trigonometric identities, that is all formulas of trigonometry आपको remember होना चाहिए, right? So next question will be question number 3. I is equal to integration sin cube x dx, right? पावर आ गया, जैसे यहां बताया इसका इंटीग्रेशन होता नहीं है, तो क्या करेंगे, साइन स्क्वायर और कॉस स्क्वायर होता तो फॉर्मूला भी है, मगर ये तो साइन क्यूब हो गया, फॉर्मूला नहीं है। हाँ सही नहीं है, क्या करेंगे, व्हाट टू डू नाउ, थिंक, यू हैव वन फॉर्मूला साइन 3 थीटा। सो व्हाट इज साइन 3 थीटा? साइन 3 थीटा इज 34, दैट इज 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, that you know, right? Sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta, और 4 के साथ क्यूब ही आता है वो पता है आपको, और cos 3 theta होता तो क्या होता, 43, 4 के साथ क्यूब आता है वो आपको पता है, so 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta, that you know. Now making subject to sin, what do we get, this comes to right hand side and these to left hand side, so we will get 4 sin cube theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. So therefore sin cube theta is equal to 1 upon 4 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta, right? This is your formula. This is the derivation for sine cube theta. How we get this sine cube theta? So sine cube theta is 1 upon 4 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta. Similarly, you have to write down a formula for cos cube theta using cos 3 theta formula. So what we get here, I am deriving here. Cos 3 theta is formula is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So cos cube theta will be cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta and divide by 4. So I am writing dividing by 4 here. So sin cube theta is 1 upon 4 3 minus sin 3 theta and cos cube theta is 1 upon 4 cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. Right? So you have to remember these two formula. This is a derivation of this formula. Right? And so you have to note down this only. Sin cube theta is equal to, you have to remember, but note down all three. Remember this, sin cube theta is equal to 1 upon 4 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta and cos cube theta is 1 upon 4 cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. Right? Got it? So 1 upon 4 common from in both. Now 3 sin theta. This is the formula 34. So 34 means 3 first. So 3 sin theta. Now if there is a 3, there is no theta in 3. In theta there is no 3. Right? So 3 is front side, 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. Now cos 1 upon 4 cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta, because 3 is here, then 3 is not here. So in sine there is a minus, in cos a plus. Okay. So now integrating this using formula. So what is your I now? I is equal to, I am applying this formula, 1 upon 4 integration. So 3 instead of theta, here is x. So answer will be 3 sin theta minus sine, sorry I forget to write 3 sine, sorry you have to write x na, sine 3x dx. So this is the answer. Now this is integrable function, right? You can integrate this. So keeping 1 upon 4 as it is outside integration. Now integration of this is 3 and integration of sin x is minus cos x. Minus integration of sin 3x is minus plus cos 3x and divide by 3. So divide by 3 and plus c. So taking 3 LCM, I am writing this term first. So 4 into 3, 12. So this is 1 upon 12 and cos 3x minus 3 into 3, 9 cos x and plus c. So this is your answer. So notice one thing, if you check this answer, so this may not be your textbook answer, right? Why not? See here. So instead of applying this formula, you can integrate this function using this formula in this way. There is second method, I am going to show you. This is second method, right? As usual, right? So I is equal to, can I write like this? Instead of sine cube, I am splitting out sine square x into sine x dx. No worry about this. Now sine square. Now whose derivative is sine x? Cos. So I want cos here. So sine square can be changed in cos using formula 1 minus cos square. So this is equal to integration 1 minus cos square x into sine x dx. Now assuming cos x is equal to t, derivative cos x is sin x dx. So we assume that let cos x is equal to t. So derivative cos x is minus sin x. So sin x dx. I am not writing minus here. I am directly writing dt. Minus is here as derivative cos is minus. So sin x dx is minus dt. So now this is become minus dt. So your I will be integration sin square. Sorry, 1 minus cos square, that is 1 minus t square into sin x dx is minus dt. So if we multiply minus, this become t square minus 1. So this is integration t square minus 1 dt. And if we integrate this, then our answer will be t cubed by 3 minus t plus c. And if we substitute value of t, that is t is cos x, then answer will be, I am writing here, because we are going to compare both answers. That's why I need some space. It's also here, but that is not enough. So t cube, t is cos x. So your answer will be I is equal to cos cube x by 3 minus t is cos x. So minus cos x plus c. So apply formula cos cube x. So formula for cos cube x is 1 upon 4 cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta. So answer will be 1 upon 4 and this 3. Right? 1 upon 3 is also there. So 1 upon 4. Answer will be cos 3x plus 3 cos x minus cos x and plus c. This is your answer. Right? So keeping 1 upon 4 outside and multiplying this, what we get? 1 upon 4 as it is. So no space again. See, 1 upon 4 as it is. So cos 3x by 3. So cos 3x by 3. Right? Now this is 3 by 3. Right? This is 3 by 3. Got it? Either if you want this answer, then take this 12 as LCM. So what you get? Cos 3x. Right? Plus 3 cos x and multiply by 12 here. So you will get minus 12 cos x. So plus 3 cos x minus 12 is minus 9. So we will get minus 9 cos x plus c. Suppose you adopt this method, your answer is this, and it is given in this answer, then what you have to do? This is your answer. This is answer from this. So you have to change cos 3x into this formula. But you apply this method, you will get this answer. And given answer is in this form, then apply cos 3 theta formula here, this formula, and simplify, you will get same answer here. Got it? So after converting answers, whatever you require, applying proper formula, आपको जो चाहिए वो लाने के लिए आपको प्रॉपर फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करके सिंप्लीफाई करना है. यू विल गेट योर आंसर डेफिनेटली. गॉट इट? तो पता चला ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटी यूज करके कैसे इंटीग्रेशन करना है वो शायद अभी पता चल गया. और कुछ एग्जांपल देखते हैं राइट नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.